I know about folks coming together, I guess, joint venture to buy land and then subdivide it. What are your thoughts there?
Oh yeah, joint venture is a good idea too. I've done it in the
Love
past.
it. Yup.
I think it's great. Let me just share. I don't know if everybody knows exactly what when the person currency walk talks about a joint venture. A joint venture can be one of two things. Just like as I was saying, Keisha and somebody else and I could pool our resources together. And lay out a plan to either build something or subdivide land if you can find a large enough piece at a relatively affordable price. You can then get a land surveyor to come and work with you to then subdivide the land. Um, and by subdividing the land, you can then sell individual lots. Um, I've done this in the actually with this piece is in behind me here. We haven't fully finished building it yet. This is in Spanish Town in St. Catherine. Sorry, that
Nice.
land is owned by call him my uncle, a family friend uncle who is older, and he's not interested at this stage in his life to be building it himself and his son. You guys have the youth on your side and everything. I will put up the land as the equity, and you guys go and look about doing the architectural drawings and doing all of these wonderful things. So, guys, also I'm glad the person asked that question. Again, think outside the box. Grandma or mommy or auntie or uncle may have a piece of land, especially those who live abroad and they're not necessarily interested. In other words, don't go to them begging for the land. Say to them, auntie, I have a plan, right? I have a plan for ecotourism. I can put so assets together to get stuff done. So that's a good idea from the person commenting.
Most definitely. Because the ideas coming together, people talking, coming as in the chat, look like we're talking about joint ventures and how that go. It's something I've done before as well. It works, if done with the proper legal covering as well, the
Right.
backing, so nobody don't leave exposed or anything like that. But again, this has been good, Jason. Thank you for being on and sharing your insights.
Thank you.
Just bring up again the URL for your company, Real Estate Hub JA. And if you can probably just share with persons the different services you provide so they can reach out to you.
Sorry, you want me to say it now? That's what you're saying?
Yes, please. Yes.
Oh, oh,
Share the
oh.
services that
Oh,
you do.
okay.
Yeah.
So let me just go through to our core. So what at our core, Link to Lenders Real Estate Hub is we are a prop tech. Let's not use a fancy term then. Basically a financial technology tool. So I came back home from Canada in 2019, 2020, and I built well a business, software that basically enables Jamaican consumers wherever in the world we are. Once you have a TRN number, you don't even have to be a Jamaican. Once you have a TRN number, you don't even have to have a Jamaican ID. We enable Jamaican consumers wherever in the world we are to do one online application and get approved by multiple banks and lenders across Jamaica. So what will happen is instead of you going into one single bank, even if you get approved by that one bank, you don't know whether you're getting the best rates or terms from that one bank. What Link to Lenders does is we have access to their loan application systems, for example, and we have our own systems where we plug information, we utilize AI, for example, and we are able to do pre-qualifications for you and take you through the entire process. And then you choose the bank that you want to go with in Jamaica. So we're really trying to make life simpler, not just for persons living overseas, but even for us who live here in Jamaica. You have a full-time day job, you can't leave to go to the bank. Contact us and we will help you walk through the process. And as I said to you, Keisha, before, we don't charge anything because we work closely with those institutions.
Love that. Yeah. Good. I'm sure people are going to be reaching out because it's something before you start any purchase, you need to know how much you pre-qualify for, so you can know what property to look for and all of those things. So definitely good work you're doing, Jason. Thank you so much for being on. Keep up the good work. Keep working with persons around home ownership because we want more of that. We want everybody in a job to have a house. So as much as you can do so.
Absolutely. Or even piece of land too.
Thank you for
It's
being
not, for sure.
Right.
Anyway, thanks everybody.
Anything in the real estate suit is great. All right. Thank you. All right, guys, there you have it. So real estate as a business. Jason shared about ideas, different ways. I see in the chat very active about people talking about different ideas around real estate investing as well. And I love the fact that you guys are thinking creatively, thinking about opportunities to make money, because that's really what it's all about. It's really what it's all about. Tonight, honestly, is a shorter episode because I have to go to a dinner. That's the next thing we're having this day. So those who joined later on, I'm at a private wealth event, a rich wealthy event here in New York for the next couple of days. I'm headed now to a dinner, but I had to come on to have Money Classroom. I can't miss Money Classroom. Come and love you guys. These discussions really fuel me. I'm very excited to see all of the discussions in the chat. Do not go on up in the chat. I'm gonna jump off at dinner. No, as I said earlier, I'm opening the doors for you guys so that we can come in. KCLH is having a promotion. We're partnering with them around taxation services for you, our viewers, and our clients, all our money community. We want to make sure that you have your tax situation all sorted. So reach out to KCLH at info@kclh.com. Connect with them. They're offering 15% off for persons who sign up starting November 1 around tax services. That's a huge discount, may I tell you. Huge. And Dr. Kesha is amazing in her services. She is fantastic as an accountant and also as a business strategist. So reach out to her for sure and work with her. All right, we're back next week, same time, same place for Money Classroom. Make sure you also subscribe to our channel. Make sure you connect also to our newsletter, profitjumpstarter.com/newsletter. I'm gonna go off now and go have dinner with these people, make some connections so the whole of we can come in the room, in the money room. That's what we want. And so we're going to be back next week, guys, to continue the discussion. Thank you so much for being on. I see you're very active in the chat tonight. I love it. Very, very active. I'm going to continue the discussion next week. See you guys next week in Money Classroom. Knowledge is not without execution. Go and implement where you learn from Jason and I tonight. Implement, implement, implement. All right. See you guys back next week. Take care. Bye.